Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I photograph my artwork using my camera. So I find a really shady area outside with no glares on the painting, very shady. Then I use my settings, always make sure you have a low ISO so it gets all those good colors. Then you're going to open your picture in Photoshop in RAW and start using the adjustments. Make sure you're shooting in RAW. The next thing I work on is adjusting the distortion because I don't always shoot at a perfect angle. So you're going to use your distortion and then the geometry to kind of make your painting perfectly aligned and not distorted here. So that's what I'm doing now. Next up, the sharpening. You're going to want to sharpen your piece and then use some noise reduction just to really pull out all of that grain on that canvas. Open your piece, and then I'm using the burn and dodge tools to just kind of bring out the lows and highs of my piece. And now I'm using a thing called color replace to remove some of the blue tones that came up in my painting since it's supposed to be a little more black and white. You're going to make a new document at the size you want your print to be with 300 dpi. Drag your piece in, save it as a PDF, and bam, you're good to go. Send it to the printer, get those prints made. If you guys like this video and want videos on how to do this with iPhones or other things using non-professional programs, I can, so just let me know in the comments.